Patrick Reed leads a great championship for the first time, and his confidence is so high that he can only see what awaits him. Maybe that's just as good in this Masters. Reed started and finished the ninth front with 3 consecutive birdies. He responded to Marc Leishman's bold eagle opportunity by polishing another run of 3 consecutive birdies. He added a 66 under par 6 and a 2-shot lead over Leishman as he enters the weekend at Augusta National, where he is expected to reign on Saturday. Just behind them are 5 great champions. Nowhere near him are Tiger Woods and Phil Mickelson, the 2 names that generated much of the attention of a master who is otherwise meeting expectations. None of that matters to Reed, who will go after his first major. Everyone wants to win, and if you do not think you can win, then you probably should not play with him, Reed said. I think if I play golf and I know how to play, I can win Major League Baseball. I have many holes left, and I just have to go out and fulfill my game plan, play some solid golf and just get out and continue shooting in the 60s and see if it does the job. Reed was runner-up in the PGA Championship last summer, although he played the last hole with no chance of winning. His best performance on the big stage has been in the Ryder Cup. I'm going to treat him like it's another day. I go out and try to do what I've been doing, stick to my game plan and try to make more birdies, Reed said.